Complete internet marketing premium tools and services to consider in 2019 and 2020. Meltwater. Meltwater is a marketing insights platform that will help you spot online trends before they become popular, giving you a competitive advantage that is hard to beat. It is driven by artificial intelligence and uses analytics to benchmark your performance, as well as to track best-performing keywords. IFTTT. IFTTT is a marketing integration platform that will help you to connect and test different marketing platforms and channels so you can see the possible results. It works by creating queues where you connect an app or device to another to create an action, such as uploading a photo to an image hosting platform, connecting it to an image sharing platform, and automating image sharing. QZZR. QZZR is a user engagement tool designed to help you get richer customer profiles and more revenue by showing you how to ask the right questions to the right leads at the right times. With QZZR, you'll be able to create quizzes that integrate with websites and landing pages and that provide you with data and leads that you can review, analyze, and export. Keyword Tool. Keyword Tool is a premium alternative to the Google Keyword Planner that allows you to find relevant long-tail keywords for any of your campaigns. The best part is that it offers you dedicated keyword research for YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, and Instagram. Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a marketing research tool that will let you track and analyze backlinks from a database of more than 16 trillion backlinks. This will help you to research competitors and monitor your niche in detail so you can learn the best backlink practices to grow your online presence. SpyFu. SpyFu is a marketing monitoring tool that will help you to research the most profitable keywords and ads used by your competitors. With SpyFu, you'll be able to scan a domain to uncover the secret marketing formula of the most successful brands in your niche, including their keyword rankings, their best performing ad variations, and every keyword they've bought on Google Ads. SiteLiner. SiteLiner is a website auditing tool that will help you improve your website. With SiteLiner, you'll be able to identify issues affecting your SEO, your rankings, authority, and site relevance, such as duplicate content and broken links. SEMrush. SEMrush is an all-in-one internet marketing solution that will help you to stay on top of results with powerful SEO, paid traffic, social media, content marketing, and research tools. With SEMrush, you'll be able to get insights about the strategies of your competitors, to find top-performing keywords, and to analyze links in deep detail. Infusionsoft. Infusionsoft is a powerful internet marketing automation tool that will save you a lot of time. With Infusionsoft, you'll be able to automate and customize processes such as sales, marketing, and others according to the needs of your business. Visage. Visage is a visual content creation tool that will enable you to develop professional, brand-centered graphics to represent your business. With Visage, you'll be able to keep brand consistency with a reference guide, to produce high-quality visuals on the fly with a drag-and-drop editor, to insert live links into your graphics, and to send your graphics to your favorite content management systems on autopilot. Complete internet marketing shocking case studies in 2019 and 2020. Steinway Pianos. Steinway Pianos is an American piano company, popular for manufacturing and selling high-quality, world-class pianos. Objective. The company's objective was to generate more conversions, to attract new customers, and to drive more sales. Strategy. The company ran a series of email marketing campaigns targeted at clients from a list collected from the company's website. Results? The company generated a 40% increase in new users, decreased bounce rates by almost 15%, and increased their conversion rate by a whopping 629%. Wholesale Marine. Wholesale Marine is an online retailer that specializes in quality boating products. Objective. The retailer's objective was to increase organic reach, market share, and revenue. Strategy. The retailer got its website audited, fixed a series of errors that were limiting its organic reach, and optimized all content for search engines. Results? The retailer achieved higher keyword rankings, increased organic reach by 66%, and increased revenue generated by organic traffic by 190%. Light Impressions. Light Impressions is a multi-million-dollar archival supplies retailer. Objective. The retailer's objective was to lower cost per acquisition and improve its organic reach. Strategy. The retailer optimized its website with search engine-friendly content and code, enhanced its call to action and user experience, and implemented on-page search engine elements. Results? The retailer now ranks in the top 10 of Google search results in its niche, even outranking Amazon for product searches. Traffic from non-branded searches increased to 10,000 visitors a month and is converting at 2%. Wiseman Home Outlets. Wiseman Home Outlets is a leading supplier of discounted kitchen cabinets and bathroom finished products. Objective. The supplier's objective was to build an email database and increase return on investment. Strategy. The company added a sign-up form to their website offering free home measuring services and large discounts. Results? The email campaign generated $38,000 in sales during its first month and increased open rates by 15%. Invite Health. Invite Health is a company that sells high-end vitamins and supplements. Objective. The company wanted to transition from being a brick-and-mortar store to developing and growing an online business. Strategy. The company created an e-commerce website where it implemented search engine optimization and content marketing strategies. It also developed an email marketing campaign to generate online leads. Results? The company was able to generate a revenue boost of 46%, a boost in transactions of 47%, and a 58% boost in traffic in its first 2 years. Hobie Polarized. Hobie Polarized is a lifestyle company that sells trendy outdoor eyewear. Objective. The company wanted to enhance its website experience to attract more qualified visitors. Strategy. The company improved on-site search engine optimizations, site navigation, and design. It also implemented email marketing and paid search ads into its marketing plan. Results? The company was able to increase revenue by 244% and to boost average order value. EDP Dental. EDP Dental is the leading dental plan company in the New York City area. Objective. The company wanted to increase website traffic and the amount of conversions on its website. Strategy. The company implemented a number of optimizations on its sites, including new content that incorporated target keywords to boost site ranking, enhanced CTA placement, and social follow buttons. Results? The company was able to attract new customers, increase spending, and generated 495 new leads in the first 6 months. Road Cases USA. Road Cases USA is an American manufacturer of musical instruments, lighting equipment, and travel cases. Objective. The company wanted to increase their overall sales. Strategy. The company optimized their website design and SEO to reach more organic leads and implemented pay-per-click advertising strategies into its marketing plan. Results? The company was able to increase organic traffic by 14%, its number of orders coming from ads to its website by 26%, and revenue by 25%. Jennings Heating and Cooling. Jennings Heating and Cooling is a company that provides heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services. Objective. The company wanted to increase sales, achieve higher search rankings, and generate more leads from organic traffic. Strategy. The company implemented several search engine optimizations on its website, such as adding buying intent keywords into the website's content. Results? The company was able to increase its number of new and repeat customers, as well as to increase total average website visits by 54%. Forever Lawn. Forever Lawn is a premier artificial and synthetic grass manufacturer. Objective: the company wanted to reach more potential customers and leads on the internet. Strategy: the company started targeting local customers by implementing geo-targeted search engine optimizations on landing pages full of buyer intent keywords. Results: the company was able to grow organic traffic by 25% and to increase conversions from organic search users by 28%. Complete Internet Marketing Frequently Asked Questions in 2019 and 2020. Is every strategy used in Complete Internet Marketing relevant for your business? Every strategy used in Complete Internet Marketing is intended to help you achieve specific business goals. And best of all, a Complete Internet Marketing plan like the one we're giving you in this course is designed to make all strategies involved work together. For example, website optimization will help you to position your site on top of search results. Content marketing will help you to attract relevant traffic to your site. And email marketing will help you to capture the contact info of the audience that comes to your site. Should you run your own Complete Internet Marketing campaigns, or should you get help from an agency? You can run Complete Internet Marketing campaigns on your own as long as you know what you're doing. In this course, we're providing you with a Complete Internet Marketing blueprint that's proven and easy to implement. All you need is to follow the step-by-step lessons to the letter, in the order given, and you'll get results. However, we do advise you to get help with certain tasks, such as with managing your social media channels, so you can better focus on the business aspects of your campaigns. What is a common mistake when trying to implement Complete Internet Marketing strategies? The most common mistake is creating content that is brand-centric. And brand-centered content is content that focuses too much on the brand or on product features. When creating a campaign to promote a brand or the benefits of a product, the best approach is to focus on how the brand can service its target audience, or how a product can solve problems faced by customers in a specific niche. Now, this doesn't mean that you can't create branded content. It just has to focus on the human side of the business, such as about the maker of the product or the voice behind a brand. How soon can you expect to monetize a Complete Internet Marketing campaign? It depends on how long it takes to get leads from considering buying your product to actually buying your product. This is harder to achieve when you are doing business in a niche with high competition, and it is easier to achieve when you do business in a niche with an audience that is always ready to buy. Is it really necessary to maintain a blog if you are already creating content in other formats? Unless you do business as an entertainer and you focus on a single format, like if you are a YouTuber or a streamer, then yes, maintaining a blog is crucial. This is because a blog can help you to attract people at any stage of the sales funnel. Remember, people who are searching products to make a final purchasing decision look for relevant info by entering product keywords on a search engine. Those searches are going to funnel potential customers to your blog, where they might decide to buy your products. Likewise, a person just looking for content in your niche can land on your blog and convert into a repeat visitor. Then he might subscribe to your mailing list. Then he will finally convert into a customer. In short, maintaining a blog is a powerful, cost-effective strategy that you need to implement. How important is marketing automation? And marketing automation is becoming increasingly important because it can help you to streamline a lot of marketing processes that are time-consuming, including lead generation, nurturing and scoring, audience segmentation, and others. Are internet marketing tools driven by artificial intelligence legitimate? If so, are they a good fit for your Complete Internet Marketing campaigns? Internet marketing tools driven by AI are legitimate, and they work because they're designed to help you to make better decisions, because they read the data you collect from your campaigns in a certain way and give you insights based on years of marketing experience. The problem is that many companies use the term AI as a buzzword to promote their products. A good AI-driven marketing tool can analyze the sentiment expressed by your audience to help you pick the best topics and voice your content. What is one overlooked aspect of complete internet marketing that marketers should be paying more attention to? Conversion rate optimization. The process of optimizing your conversion strategies across all your marketing channels to increase conversions and sales. It's a process that should be implemented right after one has achieved, even exceeded a campaign's goal. What aspect of a complete internet marketing strategy should you hand to a professional once your business becomes profitable? You should hire a professional copywriter as soon as you can afford one. Having a professional write your copy is more important than ever because it can help you to stand out in saturated niches, to build a better brand, to connect more with a segment of your audience, and to inspire more action. What key performance indicators should you measure to determine your success in the future? The metrics that will help you to predict what type of optimizations you should implement to improve your results in future campaigns include total visits, or the number of visits that you get to all your relevant channels, including your social media profiles and your best performing landing pages, new sessions or new visitors, or the number of new visitors that you're getting on your main content channels. This one will help you to understand how good your content is at attracting new visitors and encouraging repeat visits. Bounce rates, or the percentage of visitors that leave your site without exploring it further. Total conversions, or the number of conversions that happen across your channels. A high number of total conversions will help you understand the efficacy of your current strategies.